Come along with me as I tour Four Seasons Nashville's Presidential Suite. The Presidential Suite is 2,238 square feet in total living space, connectable to 1 or 2 additional guest rooms. You'll first find the guest bathroom and spacious powder room. The main room is an open concept. In the main seating area, there's a record player with multiple options for entertainment, a large TV, floor-to-ceiling windows with sweeping views of the Cumberland River and entertainment venues. The seating area consists of sofas and love seats and different chair options. There's a bar stool area, as well as a dining area with seating for 8, a small kitchenette with refrigerator and storage, a spacious master bedroom with stunning floor-to-ceiling views of the Cumberland, including a love seat, The master bathroom has 2 separate sinks with marble top vanities, a private water closet, a shower, and a soaking tub, with stunning views of Four Seasons outdoor entertaining spaces. There's also an abundant amount of closet space. The outdoor entertaining spaces are spectacular. The greenery and landscaping is absolutely admirable, as well as the infinity pool. There's numerous seating options, including cabanas and day beds. The view of Nashville's skyline and riverfront is not to be missed. There's cornhole, courtesy of Veuve Clicquot, and an amazing pool bar and full-service restaurant, numerous seating options, and an overall great time for everyone in your travel party. Here are some still photos from my recent visit.